There are a few types of product branding videos that you can try to create based on how you want to introduce your products to the world, such as an explainer video where you present how a product works, what its features are, and how the product can be used, or a product demo, a tutorial-like video where you showcase how the product best fits into the customer's lifestyle. Here are 3 key tips to help you create a video that's going to resonate with your target audience and help you increase sales. First, tell your product story. Make sure shoppers understand why your product exists and what pain points it solves. Building a story around your product helps it stick in your audience's mind. The more they remember your story, the more likely they are to veer towards your product. Second, focus on your product's branding. Create a strong visual brand and bold product packaging to make sure that your product sticks out among other video content. And thirdly, share it on various platforms. Repurposing your video content and cross-promoting it across various platforms, and of course on your website and within blog posts, is a great way to get as much out of each video as possible. Learn how Videowise can help you make even more sales through your video marketing efforts. With shoppable videos, it's never been easier for shoppers to make a purchase immediately after seeing something they liked in your videos. Get started today by booking a demo call with one of the experts on our team.